Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. Guys, it's been a choppy start to the day for Dogecoin. Avoiding the day's pivot and a move back through to $0.2950 levels would support a run at the resistance levels. Dogecoin rose by 1.35% on Wednesday. Partially reversing a 9.19% slide from Tuesday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.2926. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning intraday high $0.2968 before hitting reverse, falling short of the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 and the first major resistance level at $0.3136. Dogecoin slid to late morning intraday low $0.2794, steering clear of the first major support level at $0.2698. Dogecoin recovered to a late afternoon high $0.2953 before easing back. At the time of video, Dogecoin was down by 0.16% to $0.2921. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.2938 before falling to a low $0.2901. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to avoid the $0.2896 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.2998 and the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break out from $0.2950 levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 31 cents levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.3070. A fall through the $0.2896 would bring the first major support level at $0.2824 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of sub-27 cents levels. The second major support level at $0.2722 should limit the downside. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support level, $0.2824 pivot level, $0.2896. 3 Arrows Capital CEO Su Zhu is bullish on Dogecoin because it's easy to understand and captures the attention of blue-collar traders. 3 Arrows Capital CEO Su Zhu has outlined a bullish thesis for Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. Speaking on an August 25 episode of the Game Theory of Crypto podcast, Zhu stated that he's key on Doge because the meme coin has captured more interest from blue-collar traders than any other crypto on the market. During the interview, Zhu pointed towards data from popular retail trading app Robinhood, which posted its second quarter report earlier this month and reported that 62% of the firm's Q2 crypto revenue was from Doge trading. The best way to understand Doge, I think, is that if you look at Robinhood, which is sort of the most blue-collar style of crypto investing, Doge is 60% of their crypto revenue. And crypto is 40% of Robinhood's revenue, so Robinhood is basically a Doge proxy. This is something that I think is mirrored as well now, interestingly, across Coinbase. I mean, a few days ago, Doge volume was higher than Ether. You know, people want to trade Doge, he added. Cointelegraph reported on July 19 that daily Doge trading volume reached almost $1 billion in Q2. In comparison, the beloved meme coin's average daily volume in Q1 was $74 million. The 3 Arrows Capital CEO emphasized that Doge has 4 times the name brand recognition over Ethereum in communities not well versed in crypto, as he echoed Elon Musk's sentiments of Doge being the people's crypto. He outlined that anyone can own whole amounts of it, even the man who drinks beer can understand it, and the community promotes it organically. If you just look on social media, you look on Twitter, Instagram, Doge is the only coin where you can see a woman showing another woman and not being paid to do so, but just doing so because she likes the coin, he said. No need to be a gigachad to own. While more sophisticated traders may stay away from Doge due to its meme coin status and volatility, Zhu questioned the idea that crypto needs to be serious to be successful. He drew comparisons with Ripple, XRP, which has faced a lengthy legal battle with the United States Securities Exchange Commission more recently, but hit a 36,000% gain in 2017. It kind of reminds me of XRP in the previous cycle, which is better in every way, because 1, there is no foundation that has a ton of it. There's no reliance on an elaborate banks using it for payments narrative. It is just simple, and it's also fair launched by the way. So there's no risk of having it ever be deemed a security, right? He added. Should traders really bank on a price reversal? Buyers need to play catch up after Dogecoin suffered a symmetrical triangle breakdown on the charts. Doge's price seemed to return to a crucial area around $0.280, and the 12-hour 200 SMA green could be the missing catalyst for a much-needed upswing. At the time of video, Dogecoin was trading close to the aforementioned defense, down by 10% over the last 24 hours. When the alt's price broke decisively above 28 cents on the 13th of August, it seemed like Doge was ready to continue its recovery towards its May highs. However, the breakout seemed like a missed opportunity as buyers failed to realize gains above 35 cents. This invited short sellers into the market. More downside was seen when a symmetrical triangle was expected to play as a continuation pattern. Instead, it triggered a southbound breakdown on the charts. The price, at press time, was around $0.280 once again, a level that seemed to function as support. The importance of this level cannot be understated as it has been in play since Doge snapped new highs in early April. What worked in favor of the buyers was that the 12-hour 200 SMA green was close to crossing over above the 50 SMA yellow. Such a development is expected to inject bullish sentiment and perhaps trigger a market reversal. Failing to do so could lead to severe bleeding in the coming days. Reasoning: the relative strength index formed a descending wedge, a pattern that usually sees a break to the upside. The index could trade close to 50 for an extended period before shooting north. Conversely, a move below 40 would negate this setup. Meanwhile, the awesome oscillator looked shaky over the past week and threatened to move below the half line for the first time in over 3 weeks. Further bearish signals flashed on the directional movement index as the D crossed above the plus DI, indicating a trend switch. Conclusion: a majority of Dogecoin's indicators presented chances of an extended decline, especially if the price closes below $0.280. However, there were chances of a price reversal as well. This would be possible if buyers reignite momentum at the 12-hour 200 SMA green, and the RSI breaks north from a falling wedge pattern. Although placing long bets on Doge's press time level does involve a high element of risk, the same would be an ideal buy entry for those banking on a reversal. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next